this video, I will show my travel at Laos from Vientiane to Vang Vieng. In my one-day stay at Vang Vieng. In this video, I'll show what I did in Vang Vieng, the small town of Laos, famous for its stunning nature, and it can be called as adventure capital of Laos. We took the train trip from Vientiane to Vang Vieng. Booked the train ticket one day in advance from our hotel. This railway station is located outside the city center. It offers fast, clean and efficient travel to destinations like Vang Vieng and Luang Prabang from Vientiane. It has airport-type security checks and passport and ticket checks. It also has coffee shops and few other shops and clean facilities. Tickets can be purchased 3 days in advance from local travel agencies or directly at the station. The trains have first class and second class options, food court, luggage storage and clean restrooms. I booked tickets in first class at my hotel reception at Vientiane. Saw the countryside with lots of greenery and clean water bodies. We landed at Vang Vieng railway station. We took a shared minibus that dropped all the passengers at their hotels. We booked a car from our hotel at Vang Vieng to see the attractions. Found this in front of Namsai viewpoint. It is written on a board that it takes about 30 minutes to reach the top. The tickets cost 20,000 kips and the signboard warned that physically unfit and elderly people are prohibited to enter. I walked a few steps as trial. Buggies and bikes may be hired to travel. Our next stop was at Blue Lagoon number 1 and Fukam Cave. This Blue Lagoon number 1 is about 6 to 7 kilometers from the main town. We bought entry tickets and walked in. Talked with few travelers about the roads to the cave, and it was not very encouraging.
Very up. Yeah, but it's worth it.
It requires short, steep hike up a forested hill. Found the Blue Lagoon number one to be a crowded and a popular swimming spot. It has crystal clear blue water and lots of fishes. Found few tourists driving on the platform atop a tree. This lady completed the jump after a few minutes of hesitation, and the crowd cheered her. Found a few restaurants near the lagoon. We had plain rice with freshly prepared fish curry. Found many different varieties of food items. Next, we travel to Blue Lagoon number 3. I'm at Laos Vang Vieng's Blue Lagoon number 3 swimming. Like the clear water here and the found the water to be quite clean and felt refreshed by swimming at it with the fishes.
Wow.
It has raft, rope swinging and seating areas around lush greenery. Next we travel to Blue Lagoon number 2. It also has swings, seating areas, raft, and a mini zip line. We saw many cliffs around the last greenery. This is an open field for takeoff and landing of paramotors. Found it to be an exciting air sport. It is a combination of paraglider with a motorized engine. It is beginner friendly and guided by professional pilots. One can enjoy the breathtaking views of Vang Vieng. Found many hot air balloons floating around in the evening sky. Vang Vieng found to be an exciting destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Speedboats are a popular way to explore Damsong River. These are also known locally as longtail boats. Normally sunsets are the most sought after time for this speedboat trip. These wooden boats are powered by engines on a long pole. Please write your comments on this video in the comment sections below. Next morning, we left for Luang Prabang by Laos China Railway from Vang Vieng. This is the view outside the Vang Vieng railway station in the next morning. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Global Tree. Thanks for watching the video. Please write your comments in the comment sections below.